Welcome to TT's Corner. Today, I want to talk to every Jamaican. Whether you're in Jamaica or anywhere across the world, I want to talk to you. Jamaicans, please, let us come together. Come together in unison and have a discussion with the government of Jamaica. Yes, we need to. We need to have the Sex Offender Registry up and running. For quite some time, I keep talking about it. For quite some time, we have been requested it. No, 2025, we need to get serious. We see people protest when there's killing. We see people protest for all sort of things. No, we need to stand up and demand a sex offender registry. Things is getting from bad to worst. And we need to protect the children. We need to protect the kids. On Sunday, what date it was? I think it was the 5th of January, 2025. They found a body in St. Mary, and it was a pregnant female, and it was wrapped up in a blue tarpaulin, and it was a gruesome sight. On Wednesday, that body was identified as a 16-year-old. 16-year-old. Her name is Jadene, Gayle. A pregnant 16-year-old. And now the police have in custody for questioning her so-called 39-year-old boyfriend. 39. 16-year-old. And her body was found in St. Mary, while she and also the boyfriend lives in Mountain View in St. Andrew. They found the body with strangulation and a lot of cuts and bruises and all these other things on the 16-year-old little girl's body. What on God creation a 39-year-old man doing with a little 16-year-old kid? So she's pregnant at 16. That means he was messing with her before that. Jamaicans, wake up. It's getting out of hand. Come on. The children are the future. And it's time we all stand up and say enough is enough. They keep doing and robbing the children of their innocence. Come on. These great town men are doing this to the children. And see, poor little girl is now dead. And her mother have to be planning her funeral. Jesus Christ, enough is enough. Come on. Babsy Grange, you are for gender. Come on. Andrew Allness, I love you, but come on. We need your help. Every member of parliament on both sides need to stand up and say, yes, we need this sex registry. And we need to have harsher sentences for people who rob children of their innocence. Come on, on, Jamaica. Do better. We can do better. And mothers, whenever you see these grey tone men going around your daughters, go to the police. Press charges. Because I'm sure people in Mountain View knew that that grown man was talking to this little girl. Come on, man. Come on. I know she may not belong to you. You may not be her mother, but it takes a village. And if you see something wrong, say something. Even if you can call 119 anonymously and say something, they don't have to know that you told. Nowadays, when these men go out and start talking to these little girls and these girls that get molested, I am asking you to come forward and name them and shame them. It's about time. So government, give us the registry 2025. We want the registry because we want to know who is our neighbor. And when you have the registry and public registry, they will have to stop. They will stop. Because come on, give the children a chance to grow. Look at that. 16-year-old mother have to now go and bury her daughter and the grandbaby that is inside of her. She shouldn't even be pregnant. 39-year-old man could have been her father. That's ridiculous. Come on, people. Let's come together. Let's unite for this worthy cause. We need to stand up and tell the government we need the registry and we need harsher punishment for sexual perverts. Enough!